Hi Max, so I want us to use this table to make a graph. So you can decide to, first of all, find the constant rate of change by doing y over x. Remember that the first rule is x, second rule is y. So when we impute this value and substitute it for here, y over x, let's do for the first one, it will be 7 over 1, which is equal to 7. The second one, still y over x, 14 over 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And the third one here, 28 over 4, which is 7. So if you keep doing it, you will keep getting 7. So what it means is that our k is 7, then our slope is equals 7 as well. Can you see? So that being done, we want to use this and make a graph. Look at the graph here. So this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, and this is our origin point. So we're gonna mark 0 here. That is our origin. So we are going to impute the value from this table to this graph. Okay, all right, let's do that. First is we need to, first of all, mark our numbers here and here, okay, before we impute the data. All right, so we have just done it. This is for x. I used 2 2 interval, that is 2 4 6 8 10, and on the y-axis I used 10. I counted in 10, 20, 30, 40, so it ended at 70 according to our table. If you look at our table again, you can see that the highest value we have for y is 70. That's why our y-axis went up to 70, and then our x value went up to 10, just as it should. Can you see? So right now we are going to locate the point. If you look at the table, you can see that the first point is we are going to locate is 1 for x and 7 for y. So we are going to come back and see 1 for x will be between 0 and 1 at the middle. So this will be 1. Then 7 will be here between 0 and 10, right? So it has to be here. So you trace it to where you found this 1. So it's here. So you put your point here. Put your point there. Then go back to your table. Find the second one. 2 for x, 14 for y. Come back to your graph. 2 for x, this is 2. Then find 14 for y. 14 will be somewhere here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Will be here. So you trace it to 2. Make sure they are on the same point. You put it here. So you keep your point there. You go back to your graph again. Find the next one, which is 4x, and then 28y. So you come back again. You have to keep on doing this until you are done fixing all the values and then marking your point. So after imputing this data here, you can see where we have the line with the points. So 4 for 28, 8 for 56, 10 for 70. Can you see? 70, 10. So we are going to use our meter rule to join this line to make it so we can have a straight line. So can you see? We have just joined this line. Make sure it's coming from this origin. Make sure it's coming from the origin straight. So this is how to draw your graph. Now, another thing I want us to talk about is the properties of a proportional graph. Before you can say that a graph is proportional, most times this line will come from the origin straight, okay? Most times. So this is how to draw this table's graph, okay?